Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At iBOT, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. The Intel Core Ultra 7 270K Plus represents a strategic refresh of the Arrow Lake architecture, positioned as a high-performance bridge between the Ultra 265K and the flagship Ultra 285K. Manufactured using the TSMC N3B, 3nm, process, this CPU is engineered specifically for enthusiasts and content creators who require high thread counts without stepping up to the Ultra 9 tier. Core specifications and architecture. The 270K Plus introduces a significant core count increase and internal bus optimizations to boost instructions per clock, IPC, core configuration, 24 cores total, 8 P-cores at 5.7 GHz/16 E-cores at 4.7 GHz. Thread evolution continues. Intel's shift away from hyperthreading in favor of more efficient physical cores, cache hierarchy, 36 MB L3, smart cache, and 40 MB L2 cache, internal interconnect. A massive 900 MHz increase in die-to-die communication speed significantly reduces internal latency. Key technical enhancements: memory support, native support for high-speed DDR5 QDIM up to 7,200 metric tons per second, with XMP 3.0 profiles reaching 8,000 plus MT/s. Software optimization. Introduction of Intel Application Optimization, APO, and Intel Binary Optimization Tool, iBOT. These tools optimize game binaries in real time to maximize architectural efficiency, platform continuity. Maintains compatibility with the Intel 800 series chipsets, LGA 1851 socket, allowing for easier upgrades via BIOS updates, integrated graphics and AI, features 4 Intel C cores, iGPU, and a dedicated NPU providing 13 TOPS for basic AI workloads, performance and efficiency benchmarks in comparative testing. The 270K Plus demonstrates superior value and thermal management, benchmarks. Ultra 265K vs. Ultra 285K Cinebench R23, multi, plus 22% plus 4% Cinebench R23, single. Plus 6% plus 3% Fire Strike/Time Spy leading performer plus 4.5% power management, operates with a base power, PBP, of 125 W and a maximum turbo power, PL2, of 250 W. Efficiency shows a 3.6% reduction in power consumption compared to the 265K despite the higher core count, Therma. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.